Other news, a man will spend more than 8 years behind bars after pleading guilty in Norfolk to several charges, including committing a hate crime. Prosecutors say 28-year-old Daniel Ferguson Jr. intimidated his neighbors last year with an AR-style rifle. It started with a close call for a father driving to get ice cream and ended after several more confrontations. 10 on your side's Karina Garcia has more on the case.
It was just after 8 p.m. when a man was driving to get ice cream in this Norfolk neighborhood. As he approached a stop sign, he noticed a man with a rifle just a few feet away. Seconds later, a round shattered his rear window. The driver was hit by flying glass as the bullet lodged in his car door. But this was just the beginning. The shooter, now known as Daniel Ferguson, had already terrorized the neighborhood. Moments before, he pointed that same AR-style rifle at another resident. Ferguson, who is white, then stormed into the backyard of a Brazilian family, pointed his rifle at them, threatened to kill them, saying, "Get off my land."
FBI statistics show that hate crimes are going up in the United States and have been. Reports of them are consistently up. So while we see the broader trends, today's case was about one victim and one defendant.
Today, Ferguson was sentenced to 8.5 years.